Hello traders and investors, this is Marketgoodies.com. Today we will be discussing GLD. That is a Spider Trust ETF, exchange traded fund, and it tracks gold. I love gold personally. Okay, gold. We closed up a little bit above 1.5% last Friday. Not too shabby for gold. It fell off a little bit in August, as you can see right here, but it is picking up. It's be your first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave. If this is your fifth wave right here, or the start of your fifth wave, it would actually be a very nice trend right there. Your relative strength index is currently at 61.37. If you look far enough back, it did hit the 90 zone. Okay. Let's look at our support levels and our resistance levels real quick. Alright. Has been as high as 185, so we're going to check that out as our most high. It did consolidate in here in this particular area. You can see where it was a resistance area, pulled back from the resistance area, then broke that little resistance area, took some time, gold gapped up, then GLD came down just a little bit. What happened in late September, I'm not real sure. Probably had a lot to do with the dollar and the economy. That's another reason why we have to track gold, because whatever the economy is doing, that's what gold's going to be doing, and whatever gold's going to be doing, that's what GLD is going to be doing as well. Bullishly, a couple days ago or a couple weeks ago, we had a 20-day moving average cross the 50-day moving average, and what that means is it's kind of like a golden cross. Anytime you have the lower number moving average go above the longer moving average, this is a 50-day, the blue line, or the 20-day, which is a lower number moving average. Anytime that crosses above, that's bullish. If this were to cross the 20-day, that would be bad. So I can't even see the 200-day moving average on this particular chart, which is only 3 months. But we're going to look a little bit closely. Like I said, that is one of the resistance levels. And matter of fact, if I draw a line a little bit further, you can see where it tapped it, but it didn't really do anything. We're going to look at our support levels, which would be this consolidation in moving averages right here. Cross this real quick. And of course, this particular area where it was support and it bounced around a little bit right here. I'm going to consolidate right there. That would be another support area. So you have three support areas. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 resistance areas. Alright, again, we're going to look at the parabolic SAR, which is currently in an uptrend. That's these little dots right here underneath the candle. When underneath the candle, bullish. When they're over the candle, bearish. Again, we are not financial advisors at Marketgoodies.com. We remind you to do your own research and due diligence. Thank you and have a great weekend. Trade well.